Assalamu alaikum my dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe at home. One class, it's your English lesson. Today we are going to start a topic from Junior English book, that is singular plurals. Okay, singular and plural nouns. What is our topic? Singular and plural nouns. One class, do you know what are nouns? We have read about nouns. Yes, what is noun? Noun is name of a person, place or a thing. Noun क्या होता है? किसी person का name, name of a place और name of a thing. Okay, let's move to our lesson. What is singular? One class, when something is one. जब कोई चीज़ हमारे पास एक होती है, that is singular. And when we have more than one thing, what it will be? It will be plural. If we see singular spelling, इसमें ही इन्होंने बताया SING, then we will add LE, तो इट्स मीन सिंगल. इसके नेम से ही सिंगल निकला. ओके, प्लूरल PLURAL PLUS प्लस हम कोई चीज़ उसमें ऐड कर देंगे, इट विल बिकम प्लूरल. मोर देन वन, व्हेन वी हैव मोर देन वन थिंग, इट इज़ प्लूरल. One class, there are 4 rules that you should know you should keep in mind when you are going to make plurals. You should keep these rules in your mind. By keeping these rules in mind, you can easily make single things. You can change single thing into plural. Okay, rule number 1. When we are going to make anything plural, what we will do? We will add s. There are some words जिनके एंड पे हम just we will add s, it will become plural. For example, bat, bats, book, books, rat, rats, pencil, pencils, table, tables. Okay, one class, what we are doing? We are just adding s at the end and we are making them plural. Rule number 2. One class, there are some words that and with s, sh, x, z, sh. Okay, there are some words that end with this. What we will do? We will add es at the end of these words. अगर कोई वर्ड्स इन लेटर्स के साथ एंड होगा, तो व्हाट वी विल डू वन क्लास? वी विल ऐड es एंड दे विल बिकम प्लूरल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बॉक्स, BOX, तो हमने क्या पढ़ा? हमने इनके एक्स, अगर कोई वर्ड एक्स पे एंड होगा, व्हाट वी विल डू देयर? वी विल ऐड es विद दैट वर्ड. लाइक हाउ वी विल मेक इट्स प्लूरल? BOX ES, एस नहीं ऐड करेंगे. जब बॉक्स आ जाएगा, एक्स आ जाएगा एंड पे, वी विल ऐड ES. ओके, शू, जैसे ब्रश, BRUSH, ब्रश, SH पे इसका एंड हो रहा है, बट वी विल डू देयर? वी विल ऐड ES. रूल नंबर 3. One class, we can make words plural by adding IES and dropping Y. There are some words that end with Y. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो Y पे एंड होते हैं, तो हमने क्या करना है? Y को ड्रॉप कर देना है, Y को राइट नहीं करना. उसकी प्लेस पे we will add IES, like LADY, lady. तो हम Y नहीं राइट करेंगे, we will drop Y and in the place of Y we will add IES and it will become plural. Lady 1, एक और होती है, ladies ज़्यादा, more than one. Rule number 4. When we are if some words end with F, what we will do there? We will drop F. हम F को drop कर देंगे. F को we will not write F and On the place of F, we will add VES. Okay, one class, these are rules that you must keep in mind when you are going to solve singular plurals. Okay, let's move to our page number 17, that is our work. Write the missing words. They have drawn here. If we see the part A, they have drawn there 4 shoes. 4 they have written. one class. अब ये शू नहीं है, SHOE शू, शू मतलब 1 जूता है. अब ये ज़्यादा है हमारे पास, तो हमने क्या एस करना है, ऐड करना है एस. तो हाउ वी राइट 4 शूज़. 5 की, वी राइट की, नो ये 5 है. मोर देन 1, एक से ज़्यादा है, 5 है. तो व्हाट वी राइट, वी राइट कीज़, KEYS कीज़. 2 बॉट्स. अगर 1 होती तो वी राइट बॉट, बट इट इज़ मोर देन 1, तो व्हाट वी राइट हियर, बॉट्स. 3, what is this, ducks. Very good, you will write here duck spelling. How many frogs are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 frogs. frog नहीं write करना, frogs, because these are more than 1. 7 apples. Okay, if you see here picture, 1 beer, there is 1 beer. They have not add their s because it is singular. There are 3 beers, but they have written at the end s because there are more than 1 beer. So these are plurals, they add here s. Common B part, copy these nouns, write s after each to make it mean more than 1. Yes, one class, what is this, HEN, hen. How we will make its plural, by adding s, hens. What is next one, cow. 1 they have given, they are saying make it plural. How we will make it plural, by adding s, hens. Ships, pen, pens. Duck, ducks. Horse, horses. Bot, bots. Socks, socks. Then 9th one is nut, nuts. Sweet, sweets. 11 one, there is 1 cap. How we will make its plural, by adding s. And 12th one is shoes, it is 1. When we are going to make its plural, we will add s at the end. Come on C part, copy these sentences, fill each shape by adding s to the word in bold type. One class, they have written as words that is in bold. How will make its plural, by adding s at the end. If we see first one, Clara gave her mother a box of dash. अब बॉक्स है तो इसका मतलब उसमें एक चॉकलेट तो नहीं है ना, ज़्यादा चॉकलेट्स हैं. सो वी विल राइट हियर बॉक्स ऑफ चॉकलेट्स. एट द एंड दे हैव गिवन अस अ वर्ड चॉकलेट. हाउ वी विल मेक इट्स प्लूरल, बाय एडिंग एस. सेकेंड वन, साइमन हैज़ 2 डैश. सिस्टर दे हैव गिवन, अब 2 हैं, मोर देन 1. सो वी विल ऐड हियर सिस्टर्स. थर्ड वन, you can have 5 dash sweet. There is no 1 sweet, more than 1, 5 sweets. So we write here sweets. Fourth one, cats have very sharp dash claws. Fifth one, Lan has read 10 dash this week. 10 comic they have written, but we will add here comics because there is no 1 comic, there are more than 1. How many there are, 10 comics. Next one, who will help me blow up these dash balloons. वो कह रहा है कौन मेरी हेल्प करेगा इन सब balloons को blow up करने में. Seventh one, do you like pop up dash book or books. So we write here books. One class, today we learned rule number 1, how we are going to make singular words to singular noun to plural by adding s. Today we learn rule number 1, but I told you 4 rules how you can make singular things to plural things. Today we learn first rule. In next one lectures we will learn 4 more rules, 3 remaining rules. Okay, you will solve this one page. Now I have prepared a worksheet for you that you will solve. There is a worksheet that they are saying circle singular nouns and underline plural nouns. One class आपको पता है, if there is one thing that is single, if there is more than one thing that is plural. तो आपने single को क्या करना है, single thing को circle करना है. If we see cat, C-A-T cat, it is single thing, so you will circle it and you will under plural nouns. अगर मोर देन वन कोई चीज़ होगी जिनके एंड पे एस आया होगा तो इट्स मीन दैट इज़ प्लूरल, यू विल अंडरलाइन दैट वन. बैट्स, यू विल अंडरलाइन दिस वन. बिग इज़ नॉट नाउन, बिग ओके बिग नाउन नहीं है. मीन इज़ नॉट अ नाउन. शूज़, हमने क्या पढ़ा, नाउन इज़ नेम ऑफ अ थिंग, प्लेस और अ पर्सन. सो इफ़ वी सी दिस वन, these are shoes, you will underline it because it is plural. Door, it is singular, circle. Mat, अब आपको पता चल गया mat singular और plural. Which thing is singular you will circle and which thing is plural you will underline that one. Hat, pants, rugs, these are nouns. Desk, boat, ball, floor, chairs, these are nouns. अब आपने जो singular होगा you will circle that one and which is plural you will underline that one. Okay one class, I hope you have understood about singular and plural. Goodbye, have a nice day, take care of yourself.